Hi everyone, it's Ida, and I wanted to show you in this quick video how you can color correct home pictures, or actually any other picture really, where you have this sort of yellowish tint to the interior or spilling onto the picture. So what we want to do is we want to open up the layers, and we're going to add a curves layer, and we're going to do Alt, click on the auto. We're going to do find in dark colors, so you can kind of see here. You can already see the difference this makes. So if I take it, you can see it, find in dark colors. It just makes it more natural. You can see the difference in the wood, and you can say snap neutral midtones as well, and then just click OK, and you can see before and after. It just enhances it. Now you can do this on all of your pictures as well, or batch processing as well. Alright, so we're going to do another one. So you can see here, again, we have the same kitchen. I'm going to open up the layers. I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to add a curves layer. And what we want to do, is hold the Alt key and click on Auto. And then you're going to be able to see this right away. So I'm going to move this over here. I'm going to do Find, Darken Light Colors, Snap Neutrals. So you might not want to do the neutral midtones. It's up to you. I think I'm going to leave it off of this one. But you can see the difference. It just makes it, but I kind of like the little warmth of it. Then click OK. And you can see the difference by clicking off and on. So you can just kind of see, it just makes it much better color corrected. You can see the whites here. They're being color corrected. I hope this helps. Make it a great day, you guys.